guys, congratulations on the new purchase of your vehicle. We're just going to run through the setup on your DC200 dash cams. So we're going to start the car, put on the brake, press the start stop button.
Wi-Fi is off. Recording started.
We're going to go into your settings. We're going to go into your Wi-Fi. We're going to go DC200. Password is 12345678. Connect. We're going to select always connect. It'll say connected without internet, which means that's fine. We're going to get out of that and we're going to go into the app. App is called ATGA DashCam, so you'll have to download that first before you connect to the Wi-Fi. You're going to click on the picture. It'll take you through. You'll have front view, rear view. To view the footage, you're going to press stop.
Recording stopped.
You're going to go SD card, video. All your videos will be there. You'll notice F is for front on the bottom right hand corner, R is for rear, and P is for parking. Okay, to save the video, you'll find which one you're looking for, or you could save multiple by just pressing select and highlighting which one you want to save, then just hit download. So we're going to go back to the main screen, cancel, back.
Recording started.
We're going to press stop recording again.
Recording stopped.
This is how you format your SD card. So every 2 months you'll need to do this. Put a reminder in your phone. You'll go to the little settings bar in the top right hand corner. Scroll all the way down to format memory card and confirm.
Please do not disconnect the power.
So it's going to refresh your SD card and you're going to be starting from scratch. So that's done. Go back.
Recording started.
It automatically presses recording start for you. Now if you want to turn on or turn off the microphone, which is recording the conversation in the vehicle, you can at any point in time. And that's how you connect your dash cam.